Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2020 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this ALCATEL device. First of all, you need to locate calendar. Then click on it and tap on the month above. Select the date, for example that one, and click at the bottom right corner on this plus icon. Then select event over here. And now you can customize it however you want to. For example, you can add a title, choose starting hour, ending one, or turn off this option completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day. Then you can add people from your contact book, location, set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before, click done over here, and even take notes. When you're done, save your event by clicking at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added, but if you wish to delete it, you can always click on it, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and select delete. Lastly, delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!